Can you see Steam password while logged in? Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial and let us see if you can actually see your Steam password while you are logged in. So go ahead and open Steam on your device and tap on your username on top of your screen, and in the menu that appears, tap on the Account Details option. Here, tap on the Security and Devices option, and you will see the option for Change Password or Change Email Address. However, you will not see the option for seeing or viewing your password anywhere. So, unfortunately, you cannot see your Steam password while you are logged in to Steam. However, if you have forgotten your password and want to change your password and remember your new password, then tap on the Change Password option you see there, and you will see two ways on how you can change your password. So, you can either request for a verification code through your email address, and if you no longer have access to this email, then you can tap on the I no longer have access to this email address option and further follow the on-screen prompts in order to recover your password and change it further. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.